Thriving in today's business climate requires mastering the art of connection. And how can you create a stronger bond than with personalized email marketing? The challenge is to get noticed in your prospect's cluttered inbox. The beauty in email marketing lies in its ability to accommodate a personalized and consistent conversation with your customers. But ignore the tenets of a well-crafted campaign, like subject line relevancy, and it can decrease your sales and conversion. There are many reasons why you should use email marketing. It's one of the most effective marketing channels. Email marketing has a high ROI, and it's a great way to reach and engage your target audience. Emails are personalized. You can segment your email list and send targeted messages to different groups of people. This helps you increase your open rates, click-through rates, and conversion. You can use email marketing to generate leads. You can use email marketing to collect leads from your website and other marketing channels. Once you have a list of leads, you can nurture them with targeted emails until they're ready to buy. Email is a great way to increase brand awareness. Email marketing is a great way to stay at the top of mind with your customers and prospects. Use email to share news about your company, promote your latest content, and offer exclusive discounts and promotions.
If you're ready to utilize email marketing to its fullest extent and experience the increased customer engagement it offers, give us a call at 701-491-0016 to learn more about optimizing your email marketing strategy. Act now. Every email counts. You can visit the link in the video to get instant access to my 3+ hour email workshop. Go to succeedwithcourtney.com/email workshop and discover how email can skyrocket your sales.